Now moving to the discussion of type 2 hypersensitive reaction. So this type 2 hypersensitive reaction is mediated by antibody. So in this case, antibodies take the task of clearing the antigen from the system. Antibodies kill the antigen containing cells by the process of complement mediated lysis or antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity. So they kill, these antibody molecules kill the antigen affected cells by complement mediated lysis . So this process is also known as ADCC. ADCC is the short form for this process of cell mediated cytotoxicity. So antibodies basically kill the antigen affected cells by complement mediated lysis or by antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity, which is known as ADCC. The complement pathway of the cell is associated with a protein cascade, with the activation of a protein cascade. The ultimate result of the activation of the complement pathway is to create pores on the target cells. So the complement pathway is activated against a particular target cell that is antigen affected. So that target cell is made porous. Cells are made porous by this complement pathway. So after the activation of this protein cascade, these proteins ultimately results in the creation of pores in the membrane of the target cell. So as a result of which, as pores are created in the membrane, the inner contents of the cell moves outside and the ionic balance, everything that is kept balanced by the membrane, everything gets leaked out of the cell. The essential molecules come out of the cell. The function of the membrane is hampered. Once pores are created in the membrane, the function of the membrane is hampered and there is an imbalance in the cell. Everything gets disbalanced. So as a result of which the cell ultimately dies. So this is the case when complement is activated. So in this case, the target cell is an antigen affected cell. So this cell can be killed by this complement mediated lysis. And another process is antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity. So in this process what happens, the antibody first coats the target cell. The target cell is initially coated by the antibodies. Antibodies goes and bind with the target cell. This Fc portion of the antibodies are the site of binding of some cytotoxic cells. In case of ADCC, what happens? This is the target cell. So this target cell will be first coated with antibody. Antibody will come and bind with this target cell. And antibodies have Fc portion and Fab portions. So these Fab portions will bind to the surface epitopes of the antigen and the Fab portion will bind on the surface of this target cell and this Fc portion will bind with a cytotoxic cell. A cytotoxic cell will come and bind with this Fc portion. As a result, these cytotoxic cells will release some substance that will create pores in this target cell. So pores will be created in the target cell. Pores will be created in the target cell and as a result, the target cell will lose its compactness. Everything will move out of the cell. Target cells, the membrane of the target cell will become porous. As a result, inner contents will move outside the cell and ultimately when this process continues, ultimately the cell will die. The ultimate result is cell death. So once the ADCC or antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity is activated, when this ADCC process is activated, the ultimate result is death of the target cell. These are the two ways by which antibody can kill target cells. So the first method is complement mediated lysis and the second method is ADCC.